Hi, kindergarten friends. So Mabel and I have a challenge for you, and it has to do with writing. So have you ever really needed to write during writer's workshop, but you just couldn't think of an idea? Well, we have a solution for you. These are called story cubes, and I am going to roll them, and when I roll them, it's going to be your job to write one sentence about each picture and make a story out of it. Make a book out of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll them. And then this is gonna be your story. Here it goes. Whoa. So here you have this, a sentence with 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 this. Some of them you might have to figure out what they are and you decide what you're gonna make a sentence of. This and this. That is your story. I'm going to hold the picture here so that you can look at them and write a story. Have fun writing.